How to assemble and fit your Envo Pro mask. Place the filter on the filter cage by inserting the posts inside of the holes. Start with the top holes and work your way down. Check your Envo Pro to make sure there are no gaps or wrinkles in the filter. Take the assembled filter cage and insert the posts into the respirator body. Make sure to start with the top 2 posts. Place the rest of the posts in the respirator body holes. Check to make sure that all of the posts are sticking out. Remove cord lock from the strap. Thread both tapered ends through the headgear slots from the top of the Envo Pro. Once the threads have passed through, align the straps and reassemble the cord lock. Place the headgear over your head and wear it like a necklace. Allow the respirator to lay on your chest with the air gel cushion facing up. Slide the cord lock until the respirator is approximately 4 inches below your chin. Grasp the headgear and pull it over your head. Use your hands to align the respirator on your face. Adjust the cord lock for a secure fit and a good seal. Make sure the top of the respirator rests on the bridge of your nose and the bottom flap rests on the chin. Pull the straps on both sides of the respirator body to adjust and balance.